Okay, let's pick back up with this reflection over the y-axis. We are going to change the sign of our x values because this point 5, negative 2, to reflect over the y-axis needs to go over here to 5, positive 5, negative 2. So each of the original ordered pairs, we are just going to change the sign of the x values. So negative 5, negative 2 became positive 5, negative 2. Negative 3, 0 becomes positive 3, 0. Negative 2, 0 becomes positive 2, 0. 0, 2 will not change. 2, 0 will become negative 2, 0. And 8, 3 will become negative 8, 3. Oh, it's all the way up in my words here. So we're going to connect those dots the same way. Remember we had straight line, semicircle, and then straight line segment. Domain, we will scan left to right. The lowest x value I come across is negative 8. The highest x value I come across is positive 5. So the domain will be negative 8 to 5. The range, the lowest y value is negative 2, and the highest is positive 3. So negative 2 to 3. And the last one we're going to look at is this one right here. G of x minus 2 plus 3. Now, based on our transformations that we've been working with parent functions, we know that when you have a number inside with your x, that's a shift left and right. And when it's subtracted, that's going to move right. So we're going to be shifting right 2. And when it's outside, not with the x, it's a shift up and down. When it's added, it is up. So we're going to be moving up 3. Now, in order to move right 2, say I have my point negative 5, negative 2. If I shift that right 2, 1, 2, and up 3, 1, 2, 3, my new ordered pair is right here at negative 4, 1. So you can see that moving from negative 5, negative 2 to negative 4, 1, whoop, that should be negative 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I put that at negative 6. Darn it. So it should be here. Sorry guys. Negative 3, 1. So to shift it right 2, I added 2 to my x value. To shift it up 3, I added 3 to my y value. So when I shift right 2 and up 3, I'm going to be going from xy to x plus 2, y plus 3. So each ordered pair, I'm going to add 2 to the x and add 3 to the y. So negative 5, negative 2 becomes negative 3 and then positive 1 right here. Negative 3, 0. So I do negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1, 2, 3. Negative 2, 0. I'm going to add 2 to the x value. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. Add 3 to the y, so 0, 3. 0, 2, I'm going to add 2 to the x, so 0 plus 2 is 2. Add 3 to the y, so that gives me 5. 2, 0, 2 plus 2 is 4. 0 plus 3 is 3. And 8, 3, 8 plus 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 3 plus 3 would be 6. Okay. Then connect straight line, half a circle-ish, straight line. And then we want to read our domain and range left to right. So domain, the first x value we bump into here is at negative 3. And the very last one is all the way out here at 10. So negative 3 to 10. And for range, the first y value we hit is 1, and the highest y value we hit is 6.